With barely a month left for the Bihar Assembly elections, the Bihar battleground is preparing for political upheavals. The latest reports are that Chirag Paswan is upset with the seat-sharing talks within the NDA and is eyeing other options. Unconfirmed reports state that Paswan could tie up with Prashant Kishore's Jan Swaraj Party. Both Lok Jan Shakti Party and Jan Swaraj Party share the same youth-first ideology. Kishore, who makes his first electoral debut in Bihar, is also seeking an ally with a strong vote base, and Paswan could be an ideal candidate. On an alliance with the Jan Swaraj Party, LJP sources say that the door is always open. According to the Lok Jan Shakti Party, options are always available in politics. They added that the NDA needs to understand that Chirag Paswan is a dynamic face against Tejasvi Yadav and that their party wouldn't be threatened by anyone over cabinet post. Significantly, after the announcement of the Bihar election dates, LJP spokesperson Dhirendra Munna claimed that they were prepared for all 243 seats. However, many also see the reports as a pressure tactic to seek more seats. For now, talks are on between LJP and BJP in Delhi. Paswan will reportedly fly home on Wednesday. Now, let's talk about Chirag Paswan's demand. The LJP has reportedly asked for 40 seats, but the Bharatiya Janata Party's leadership isn't willing to relent. They insist on giving just 25 seats, something that hasn't gone down well with Paswan. He believes his party's stellar performance in the parliament elections, winning all 5 seats the party contested, proves his winnability. But fact remains that his victories happened when he allied with the BJP, and without the saffron base, he may not have maintained the same strike rate. If Paswan is not willing to listen to the BJP's demand, the BJP may be forced to allot his share, but it will come at the cost of other allies. Jitan Ram Manjhi's Hindustani Awam Morcha and Upendra Kushwaha's Rashtra Samata Party. The BJP will then have to give Rajya Sabha and Legislative Council seats to Manjhi's and Kushwaha's party. According to reports, the current agreement is that the BJP and JDU contest an equal number of seats, that is 205. A formula is being prepared to divide the remaining 38 seats among Paswan, Manjhi and Kushwaha.